Hi, we're going to go through daily cleanings for your ReSound hearing aids. So if your hearing aid looks just like this little black piece is down in your ear and it will tend to get wax and debris on it. So what you want to do is just use your white cloth that you're given and you want to just wipe it down. If it flips up, that's okay, just flip it back down. However, if you see that that is not cleaning it effectively, we give you this spray here at your first follow-up. You can use that to spray your cloth. You do not want to spray the hearing aid directly. Once you've sprayed that, you're going to use that and just wipe down the dome and get any of that excess debris off. You also are given this brush here. You can use it to just brush off any debris. You'll see the wax pick down here. You can use that to scoop out any wax that gets caught here in the top. The other place you want to clean is the back of the hearing aid. Our fingers will sometimes get wax and debris on the back of the hearing aid. So we want to use that to scrub the back microphone. So what we're concentrating on are these little spots here, right here, and right here. And so what you'll do is just scrub the back of the hearing aid just like that. And that is what you do for daily cleanings. Thanks, guys.